Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MetaTrader 5 on Android. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your Play Store and search MetaTrader 5. Once you hit the search button, you'll find MetaTrader 5 Forex stocks. Just click it and click on the install button right here. The installation might take a while, so please have patience. Now, as you can see, the app is already downloaded in your system. All you gotta do is click open and enjoy using this app. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.